All right, so let's talk really quick about what the Automation Made Easy course really is. It is a really quick and fast course where you go in and you learn how to manage your social media, how to create your content, and how to automate the process so that you can step away from your computer and your phone and you can go be busy in your business and in your actual life. And so I created this for you because I know that you are spending so much time spinning your wheels. You are always on the computer, you are always on the phone, and you're trying to figure out how to use social media to make money, to generate that income, to grow your leads, to get more clients. You really want to be able to step away and let your social media make money for you while you're on vacation. So these are some of the things that you can do if you know how to automate it. So jump in, go ahead and get into that Automation Made Easy mini course, okay? All right, see you on the inside.